to hold your career together, and you're saying that you're willing to put it on the line if necessary.
Career. You got a car, you got the rear. We tends to correct the English language. We no carry career. When you have the pitney them out of road, they want to build a career. The rich people them have a career in them hand like a piece of paper. It's just illusion. You're gonna build yourself, you're gonna build a foundation. Register your business like how Jamaica government register everything them have. Register on a business, them have for liquor tax, you pay the liquor tax and build up your fences and stay strong. We don't worry about career. And the people them govern everything. If the people like it, they say they like it. They don't like it, you go again, study, go to the drawing board and come forward, come do the thing. Nothing wrong with that. See me? So no one can pressure we, and no one can put our career on the line. Can not right now, something.
Do whatever makes you happy, whatever you want to do. We're in a time now you can do whatever you want. You can do anything you want. You have to know how to take in knowledge. You have to listen. You have to research everything. But there's nothing you want to do. If you want to open a skate shop right now, you could go do it. If you wanted to open a paint and paint, wine, and roller skate experience, you can do it. Because the way social media is set up, all you have to do is do whatever you need to do legally. You can make anything happen. So the fact that we are growing a business from the ground up, each one of you guys are a part of this. Y'all all are a part of this. This is inspiration to everybody.
I was born in a barn. Mama died and daddy got drunk. Left me here to die alone in the middle of Tobacco Road. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Grew up in a rusty shack. All I had was hanging on my back. Only you know how I loathe this place called Tobacco Road.
So Kareem has been part of the company, not only Grilled Fraiche, but E Dubble Catering for a long time. His identity as the flavor coordinator comes into play because his talent as far as identifying with ingredients and mashing them together and pulling the best out of certain products has always been something that he stood out from jump. Our relationship going back to LA Trade Tech and meeting him in the classroom and kind of irritating him, but there was always a respect of, man, this guy knows what he's doing. And there's always been a learning that goes on in between the both of us. It's like steel sharpens steel. And when Grilled Fraiche came into play in creating the flavor profiles, Kareem did what he did best, and he went in and made the most simplistic, difficult creation that you can come up with.
Feed about 20 people.
Yeah.
Feed about 20 people.
Okay.
Tasting.
Why so many people?
I don't know how. Well, actually, I don't know how many. I asked them how many people, and they said a multiple.
Yeah.
No, you good? It's all right.
Respect.
That's it.
It's all your Palladium, boy.
Nah, we got style, dog.
He's going to start trying to play.
I love your style. It's good. That's good.
What's up?
What's good? You good?
Yeah, man.
Everything's good?
Everything's wonderful. How you doing?
What's up?
We need you to come flavor coordinate this for us real quick.
Just
I got $12 a person, 180 people,
paper to work off.
4 times a week.
Chef is coming up with a menu that's going to make sense for the price or the budget that the company wants. So he's going to make sure he brings it all together and make sure it's ready to go, basically. Make sure the flavors is right and so forth with the chefs. So he's going to look over all the menus that the other chefs came up with and just go ahead and finalize it and go from there and see what makes sense.
So he's almost like a secret weapon.
Yeah, he is the secret weapon. He's the flavor coordinator.
So a little cycle menu, a month worth of food basically.
Yeah.
Someplace different every day.
Yeah.
All right, that's
Okay. So there's 4 menus. You already made a lot of comments. We didn't mark it.
Yeah, tell me you was gonna rip that up. You know what I mean? Whatever you like, whatever you don't like,
just
add
make
whatever.
notes and just
Reformat it.
yeah.
And then also, if it don't fit in $12, let's take the ingredients out. You know what I'm saying?
In a gunman world, any night in clock he not.
It's a rice pudding. Not really rice pudding though, but like a coconut porridge, morning porridge. Coconut milk, coconut oil, brown rice, basmati rice, a little bit of cinnamon, pumpkin spice, a little bit of sugar, and extract, vanilla extract. See, so everything was cooked already. Add the flavor we want into it, make it what we want to make it. The rice was bland at first. Now we made it breakfast style, a little more sweet, a little savory. All right, I'm gonna be on the side of everything else we eat for breakfast. But the staple of a lot of Caribbean breakfast is saltfish, ling cod. But we in America, we're making some grits. Americans like grits.
Cause you have warrants. He's a real.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Let me make believe. Let me make believe you say that, okay?
Don't put that out there.
No. Let's not put that.
It's a real bad man. Kingpin. I cook, but no one knows what to really look like. I have your sweet bread and your coffee in the morning. Don't matter what kind of coffee it is. Don't matter the brand.
You really don't? 'Cause
No.
I'm not drinking that Schwill from the corner store, okay? No.
You a real bougie bad man, you know that?
I mean, this jerk, man. Culinary school, I was paying attention, and this guy was being an idiot in the back, making noise. All right, because he didn't have to pay for his education or something. I don't know. All right, I was paying for my units. All right, out of state prices too. Okay, so I was paying attention to school, and this guy was in the back being a clown.
I was minding my business in school, trying to get an education, and the girls wanted to talk to me. So they like, Chef, what are the answers to the test?
He didn't know.
No, I didn't know.
All right, yeah, he didn't know. All right.
But I was interrupting his education, and he yelled at me.
I helped him pass every culinary test he's ever taken in his culinary career.
He stole all the answers.
Hey,
He got all the
but
answers.
no matter, we still pass, and you wouldn't have passed if I didn't figure out who had all the answers. Can I get some tacos?
Man, come on, man. Let me put it together for you, man. We're in Hollywood Hills. The game called us out, to come out and just do a taco. It's not Tuesday, but it's Cinco de Mayo, so he wanted to have an event. We came out, we saw, we conquered, and as you can tell, I see everybody with tacos in their hands. How we do? Real answer is just like,
It's bomb. That sauce. What is that sauce? Yeah.
ETB, the everything tastes better. It's a honey garlic chipotle blend, and it's also featured on our food truck, Grilled Fraiche. Y'all gotta come out to the truck.
I went to the truck. Yeah. It was bomb. This is bomb. That sauce. That sauce was everything.